Hello students and welcome back to our channel Learning Roots Official. For those of you who are already to our subscriber of our page, you must have seen a lot many videos talking about joining a program from NMIMS. But in today's video, we shall be talking about a topic a little different. The topic shall be focusing on an existing student of NMIMS. What all things do they receive? So as you can see, we have some study kits lined up here. Yes, so we shall be unboxing one of the study kits for you so that you can understand what all things will you be getting from NMIMS. Let's begin. So quickly let's begin with the unboxing of the study kit. Before beginning, let me just tell you this is just a sample of the study kit. So the packing quality seems really very good. And yes, students, before that, the books that will be showcasing over here, they are for the MBA programs. Moreover, the MBA program and the diploma program, they have semester 1 in common. So they'll be having the same set of books. Are the 6 books for semester 1. Let's have a look one by one. So this is our first book, Organization Behavior. Followed by Marketing Management. Then we have Business Economics. Next we have Financial Accounting and Analysis. Information System for Managers. And the last one, Management Theory and Practice. Let us have a look at what's actually inside these books. I'll just open one of them for you. The page quality seems really good. So students, let me just tell you that the 6 books that we can see right now in front of us, the same books are available into our student portal in the form of e-copies. So in case you do not wish to carry these books in case you are traveling, you can also refer to these e-books because the content which is mentioned in these books is completely the same. So students, that was a quick unboxing video that we have just covered of Narsimonji's distance education program. For more videos like this related to education, please do keep watching to our channel. People who are new to this channel, do hit on the subscribe option. And if you have liked this video, please hit on the like button. Till then, it's a goodbye.